All right, when you start with your Revit, one of the first things you have to do is understand your interface. These are the tools that help you to actually produce. The first tool that you need to be very familiar with is Project Browser. You can yank it in and out this way, and you can combine it with properties by just stacking it. I like it separate. Project Browser essentially provides for you to shift from levels, various floor plans, site plan, level 1, level 2, to ceiling plans, elevations, and once you create sections and eventually sheets and schedules and so on. Once you are in the process of doing something, that tool that you use, any kind of detail that allows you to manipulate is inserted in the properties. So really get to know these two basic tool guides, and they're actually inserted. So if you accidentally get rid of it, let's get rid of both of them by Xing out. You can go to View, shift over to the right where it says User Interface, pull down and check mark Project Browser, check mark Properties. You can locate them however you want, wherever you're comfortable with. I like to work with my drawing off to the side. These are my elevation markings. This is where I would like to work. So I like this to be off to the side. I don't want it to block any of these functions, and I don't like it to block these functions. And these are my other tools. Some people like to type. I like the visual reference. It is up to you. So this is the very most important thing. Learning how to use your project browser allows you to go from levels to elevations. And when you click on elevations and you go to elevation, you'll notice that it already has set up level 1, level 2, and established 10 feet floor to floor height. Doesn't matter which elevation you go, you get that. Once you create section, it will do the same thing for you. When you go to each one of the levels, it will show you these symbols, which essentially will tell you where the elevations are. Eventually, you can create the sections, and once you do that, it will create another grouping over here with your sections that you have created. So make sure you can use your project browser and you know how to get it back. You can use your property and you can scroll up and down to find out all of your options to use and manipulate to create various options for yourselves. All right, that's it.